Friends, good afternoon. Today I will discuss with you one important situation which is required to be known to or understood to everyone. Otherwise, if we have not knowledge about that type of fraud, you may be cheated. We, all the citizens, have property, immovable property. No one is without that. You are enjoying your property. As you are having proper possession and you are enjoying, you will not feel that still we have been cheated. This is the issue, how the cheating is going on. The cheaters, no doubt they might be having one or two members of legal background. Otherwise, the cheating is not possible. Now, you might have become eager to know what is that. So, be connected with me throughout this video, and it will be quite fruitful to you in the longer run. Now, supposing you are having plot A, but you are residing away from that plot, that is 200 or 3 kilometers, 300 kilometers. I mean to say, you go to the plot to see the property, but not frequently. You go after a lot of time, after 1 year, 2 years, you see that things are there. And all of a sudden, after 10 to 15 years, someone starts construction thereon. You will object to that person what you are doing, and you may take the help of the local police. If neighbors are not known to you, you does not have a manpower to protest that person who is forcibly occupying your plot, who has started construction on your plot. The only alternative before you is to contact the local police station. And again, your luck counts. If the officer handling the related area, you can say station house officer, is honest one, he will easily oblige you. If he is also a party with the prodder, you may not be able to get the relief of getting FIR registered. Now supposedly the SOC is honest one, chonky in charge is honest one, and you got the FIR registered. And later on, in inquiry, that person says that the complainant himself has sold me property. Actually, what is happening, I mean to say, the fraudulent persons make property in their name, transfer property in their name by making false ration cards, by impersonating the true owner. I mean to say, with fake documents, they got the property registered and they keep silent for years together, 5 years, 10 years. Either they wait that the owner, if he is a senior citizen, if he dies, then they will show the registry that your father has sold 10 years back to us, we are the owner, and your second generation will be left with no alternative. They may think that there may be possibility our father has kept us in dark and he has sold the property or she had sold the property. On the other hand, if the person is alive, he is an older person, then he is able to get the FIR registered. Then what will happen? trial will go for 2, 3, 4, 5 years. And now I am coming to the point that where the drawback lies. You got registered the FIR, the persons are arrested, trial is going on. But your title has become defective. No doubt the police has given helped you in legal way to get you again possessed of the property. But your title has become defective. There in Haryana, there is no provision with the registrar to cancel that fraudulent property registration. You will have to knock the door of civil court. It will again take lot of time. So the person, innocent person, will spend rest of his life by one time going to criminal court, another time going to civil court. So he had to defend his case in two courts, as a prosecutor, in criminal court as he is the complainant, and in civil court as an applicant to get the fraudulent sale deed cancelled. When I put this question to the revenue authorities, they say that in Registration Act there is no provision to cancel the registry. We are only authorized to register a document, but if the innocently or knowingly the same document is impersonately registered, fraudulently registered, you have to go to court. Then I showed them a provision. I said them that go to the General Clause Act. There is section 21, which says that if there is vacuum in any act, then that vacuum can be filled by using this section 21, which says that whosoever has the power to register a document, he has the power to cancel that. That gap can be filled from that. But they say, no, there is court ruling. You have to go to civil court. So this is the point which we should raise before the honorable MLAs, MPs, local assembly, that you please make a provision. Many of the state assemblies has made provision by amending the Registration Act. They had given power to the registrar to cancel the fraudulent sale deed. Now my second issue is, when the registrar is sitting on chair drawing such a huge pay, huge salary, and he did mistake, then he should be dismissed or punished on admin side. Although there is no provision in 1908 Registration Act, then second part can be put into operation. You are a responsible officer, you are doing fraudulent registry. What you are seeing? That point is also missing. So friends, let us jointly raise voice so that our general public is not affected. You will find so many innocent persons cheated in this way. You and me may be educated one and go to the proper authorities, or we can face courts and get a relief. What that relief would be if we got it after 10 years? So let us prepare a memorandum application and send it to all the legislative members, MLAs, so that they may raise voice before the ruling party. And we should also give a representation to the ruling party MLAs, so that the concerned party which is ruling the state may make a law and amend the Registration Act. So there are so many things to be done. So friends, be aware. Let us jointly fight for this common cause of the public. That's all. God bless you all.